Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can import beats to BandLab. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now all you need to do, you want to search for BandLab, and after that you want to click on create in the top right. After that you want to search here for, sorry, I'm going to go back. Yeah, like I said, just search for BandLab. After that you want to click on create, and then you want to click on a new project. Now after you click on your project, it's going to take you to this page. Now you just need to select where like the file is located. Now if you have like the beat inside your own laptop or PC and you want to import it to BandLab, you just need to go with import audio here. Okay, now if you want, you can also capture your voice or any sound here using the BandLab itself, or you can import instruments. You can also use BandLab sounds like by default here. Now I'm going to go with import audio. I'm going to import from my own laptop. I'm going to go with this. Now after that you will be able now you have imported the file successfully into your BandLab. Now if you want to import the second file, or you want to import multiple bits, okay, into your BandLab, you can always click on this plus button here, and then you will be able to import another bit. Now as you can see, you can also remove the first one by just clicking on it and click remove, and now you will be able to use the beat inside your BandLab account. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and ask me any question there. Make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.